regardless, even if you miss that trade, so be it, because there was another beautiful trade right here that I want to show you at this 1209 here. Now 1209 was about here. This was 1209 in the afternoon, right? I talked about how this could be a perfect handle. See the timestamp for yourself and understand the perfect handle that's being built by the pink algorithm right there. So once you're able to understand how the teal was building liquidity for the pink, right here you see how beautiful that structure was, and you see how pink just beautifully built the liquidity there, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful, especially grabbing the liquidity here on the way up. A beautiful buying continuation structure all the way to the top here. So once again, this is a classic, very classic cup, and the reason why I said it's the perfect handle, right? So once you're able to see it, you cannot unsee it, especially with the pink here, right? Absolutely beautiful. So I talked about this in one of the training videos, so please do check it out as well, right? Plenty of videos with resources in the link below. There are free resources available as well, and hundreds of videos for you to watch and learn. Most importantly, if you want to learn this, just watch the videos daily, right? Trade together with me, watch the videos daily, understand my thought process, and from there you will get better at trading. Now my duty is to ensure that you stop gambling by trading recklessly or trading without knowledge. So you have to learn this. It's a lifetime skill. Take your time to learn this, right? When the market's not going anywhere, there's no need for you to rush to learn this. So learn it properly. Plenty of resources in the description. Go check it out and learn the proper way to trade and stop losing money. Stop pissing off your money. Stop wasting money. You have to learn it the proper way, yeah? So anyway, you notice we have been trending up in this orange algorithm in the 1 minute chart, and I want you to see this, right? If there is continuation, can you see this? Right, so let's see if the market builds another handle, but yet at the same time there is splendid liquidity here. I want to talk about that. So that's where we go from here, right? So pay close attention at this point here.